Welcome to BioHelpers, your trusted partner in mold remediation and cleanup in New Jersey. Our certified technicians employ state-of-the-art techniques to eliminate mold from your home or business premises safely. We conduct a comprehensive inspection to identify all mold sources and develop a customized remediation plan tailored to your needs. Using eco-friendly products, we ensure effective mold removal while prioritizing the health and safety of your environment. Your satisfaction is our priority. We strive to exceed expectations, providing prompt and reliable service every step of the way. We keep you informed throughout the process, addressing any concerns and ensuring clear communication from start to finish. Beyond remediation, we offer valuable tips and strategies to prevent future mold growth, safeguarding your property long-term. Our dedicated team is available 24/7, ready to assist you whenever you need us. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers say about their experience with BioHelpers. Call us at 609-920-5070 or visit biohelpers.com/mold-cleanup to schedule your consultation. BioHelpers, your partner in mold remediation excellence.